Contact Energy operate across 3 geothermal fields in the Taupo volcanic zone, Ohaaki, Wairakei and Tauhara, and we have 5 geothermal power stations on those fields, generating about 430 megawatts of electricity from geothermal.
We are the second largest generator of electricity in New Zealand.
Our operations in New Zealand have a very, very long history.
Wairakei has been in operation for more than 60 years now and still going strong. 2026 is when the Wairakei consents expire, and Contact is planning to apply for renewal of those consents.
As part of our consent to operate on these fields, we interact with the regional councils. In the last 10 years, Contact's been on a journey, like the rest of the geothermal industry, to get their resource appraisal, assessment and review more into a 3D space.
We find that visuals is always a common language that everyone understands.
Seequent and the Leapfrog Geothermal software, it's definitely been a big step forward in communication to the broader team, both within the company, but also actually outwardly into the community as well.
So it's a critical part of our business, and being able to visualise things that you can't see easily from the surface is absolutely essential for us.
Leapfrog can also give us the opportunity to simplify some of the concepts we deal with, to actually get people to interact with them a little bit more readily. It's also been a really strong evolution on how we look at linking our understanding from a geoscience perspective of the subsurface with our geologists, geophysicists and geochemists.
Seequent technology in essence supports all our range of subsurface activities, both monitoring and both drilling.
We need to combine multiple types of data, whether it's geophysics, MT surveys, microseismic data, alongside structural geology and formation imaging and fracture orientation to give us that picture.
We understand the data, we understand the interrelationships of the data. We can visualise and understand things that are going on beneath the ground.
When you start building a picture that is consistent with a range of data sets rather than with one particular data set. From that point of view, it helps us build concept models that are more reliable and more consistent with the whole data.
Leapfrog lets us bring all those things together and also rapidly appraise that to help with our targeting and well prognosis developments.
It's a relatively agile tool, and it helps us find quick answers to problems, and help us adapt quickly to the new information and plan accordingly. There's no such thing as 2 wells that are exactly the same. Every time we plan a new well, we're going into a new reservoir area and we're faced with unique challenges. So that's the great thing about geothermal and having a tool like Seequent technology, which help us work with that uncertainty and variety of conditions.